Hello students, in my previous video I have explained you straight line, I have explained you parabolic curve, I have also explained you how to handle when the values are given very big. Now next is our exponential curve. So now how to handle an exponential curve or fit an exponential curve? Step 1, you take log on both the side. So here it will become log of y is equal to log of a plus log of e to the power bx. This will become log of y is equal to log of a plus log e means only bx. Right? Now what I'll do, this log I don't want. So I will substitute it as capital Y. This log I don't want. I'll put it capital A plus b I have no issues, x I have no issues. So if you observe, I have got a straight line where capital Y is equal to log y and capital A is equal to log A. Okay, remember we are talking about base E. So in your calculator, ln or base E you should pick up. Okay. Now the next step is, it is a straight line. So how I can write the normal equation for this? Summation y is equal to na plus b summation x, multiply whole equation by x. So summation yx is equal to a summation x plus b summation x square. So what type of table I'll have? I'll have x, which is given in the question. I'll have y, which is again given in the question. Now I will frame capital Y, which is log e of y. So I will take log of all the values in the y column. Okay. Then I have x square. So I'll just square these values. And then I have capital Y into x. So I multiply this and this value. So I'll get the table. Then when I'll add up the columns, I'll get summation capital Y, summation yx, summation x, summation x square. These values I'll substitute in the normal equation. I'll get two equations. I'll solve it and I'll get the answer. So this is how I can convert an exponential curve to a straight line. Let us see one question to understand it in a much better way. Suppose this is given. Okay. Now step 1, I need to fit a curve y is equal to a e to the power bx. So I'll write log y is equal to log a plus log e to the power bx is bx. So y is equal to a plus bx, which is a straight line. Now I'll write the normal equation for this. So summation y is equal to na plus b summation x. Then summation xy, remember it is small x only, okay, is equal to a summation x plus b summation x square. Now let us make the table. X is 0, 2, 4. Y is 8.12, 10, 31.82. Correct? Now I'll make capital Y, which is nothing but log e y. So base E you have to take or ln you have to take in your calculator. Remember this. This is a common mistake students do. 2.09, 2.30, 3.46. Then I'll make xy. So xy is 0, 4.60, 13.84. Then I'll make x square 0, 4 and 16. Now I will add up all the columns. So summation x is equal to 6. See, 4 plus 2, 6. Then summation y, actually I don't need it, so no need. Summation capital Y I need. So summation capital Y is 7.85. Summation xy is equal to 18.44 and summation x square is equal to 20. Correct? Now substitute these values in the normal equation. So summation y, first equation see, 7.85 is equal to how much is n? 1, 2, 3. So 3a plus b summation x is 6. Second equation xy. So xy is 18.44 is equal to a summation x, that is 6, plus b summation x square, that is 20. So I got two equations. Now go to mode, go to equations, use simultaneous equation. When you will solve, you will get capital A and small b value. In this case, your capital A will come as 1.932, you will get an approximate result, okay? And your B will come as 0.3425. Now see, capital A is something which I have assumed, right? I have introduced capital A. And what is a relation? I know that capital A is equal to log of A. So what is A? A is equal to e to the power capital A. Okay, so what I'll do in calculator e to the power 1.932, which will give me the value of A, which is equal to, if you solve in calculator, you will get 6.903. Right, now I got small a and small b. So what was the question? Y is equal to a e to the power bx. So y is equal to a e to the power bx. Substitute the value. Y is equal to 6.903 e to the power 0.3425x. So this is the answer. This is the exponential curve. Right? Let us see one more question which is based on application. The voltage V across a capacitor at time t seconds is given by the following data. Fit a curve of the following form. Now what is a curve? V is equal to A e to the power kt. Take log. So log V is equal to log A plus log e to the power kt, which is kt only. Now this log don't want, so put it y. You can keep capital V as well. A plus kt. Now it is a linear curve. What will be the normal equation? Summation y is equal to na plus k summation t. Summation yt is equal to a summation t plus k summation t square. Now as per this, I have to make the table, right? My table first column will be t, second will be v, right? So 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. V is 150, 63, 28, 12 and 5.6. Now the next column is y. Now what is y? Y is log of v. Again I will remind you have to take base e. Okay, don't take base 10, otherwise your answer will not match, right? So now let us start doing this. So now I have to solve this question. So now when I am solving v, now my y is equal to log of v, means log of 150, which is 5.0106, 4.1431, 3.3322, 2.4849, 1.7228. Correct? So this is your y value. Now as per the requirement of normal equation, I need summation t, which I will get from here. Summation y I will get from here. I need yt also. So yt means multiply this and this. So 0, 8.2862, 13.3288, 14.9094, 13.7824. Then I need t square also. So t square is 0, 4, 16, 36 and 64. Now add up the columns. So you will have summation t is equal to 20. Summation t square is equal to 120. Summation capital Y is equal to 166936. And summation ty is equal to 50.3068. Now substitute this here and you can get the answer. So your final answer will be equal to, I am writing the final answer, that your final answer A will be 4.98 and small a will be 146.28. Okay, and then you can write the final answer as V is equal to 146.2 e to the power minus 0.4117 t. Right? So this is how we can do the exponential curve. So practice all the question. Thank you.